Hi, I'm Tanya Deemer. I'm a global artist and educator for TEMPTU. And today I'm here at Derm Store and I'm gonna demo how you can achieve the perfect, long-lasting summer makeup glow with the use of our TEMPTU Air and our Perfect Canvas makeup line. TEMPTU Air's atomized airflow technology and the Perfect Canvas makeup line offer lightweight, long-lasting, and most importantly, breathable coverage. It's also water and transfer resistant, so there's no need to hold back on those summer activities. Jessica here is going to show us how easy it is with our TEMPTU Air and the Perfect Canvas makeup. Once your skin is prepared, the first step in applying the Perfect Canvas foundation with the TEMPTU Air is spot treatment and concealing. When spot treating or concealing, you want to remember that you're going to operate the TEMPTU Air on the lowest setting, and you're just going to be pulsing on the trigger back and forth just ever so slightly, spraying the makeup until you see the spot disappear, not until you actually see the makeup. The reason we do it this way is to ensure that we use less makeup for optimal coverage. Remember, the more you pull that trigger back, the more makeup that comes out. Work in small circles under the eye, and remember that as it's applying, it's also blending. So we're cutting down on the amount of steps. The great thing is you can also blend with a hand, a sponge, or a brush, as this product is able to be applied both ways. Once you're ready for foundation, turn it up to 2 on the airflow. Move the TEMPTU Air to about 4 to 6 inches away from the face. You're going to be moving in slow, controlled circles while slightly pulling back on the trigger. And once you get one layer on the face, take a step back and just look to see what areas might need additional coverage. So don't forget that a lot of times around our noses, we have a little bit of redness. This is an absolutely awesome tool to go in and conceal the redness very quickly and very easily. And once you're complete with that step, we'll move on to adding a little color. When adding blush, we're gonna go ahead and set the pressure to 1 or 2, depending on your comfort level. Remember that anywhere that you are aiming air is where the product's going to go. So in this case, we're going to aim the unit directly at the cheek area. And if you need to smile to pinpoint that area, don't be afraid. Pull back lightly on the trigger and move in slight circles. Remember, this is applying and blending the product at the same time. And once you've achieved this blush coverage that you would like, we can move on to the bronzer. We're gonna use the bronzer contour pod. You wanna make sure that you're actually turning the airflow up to a 2 or a 3. You're going to be further away from the face, 6 to 8 inches away. Pull back slightly on the trigger and blend this bronzer along the forehead and hairline, and really anywhere where the sun would literally kiss you in the summer. So that might be the tops of the cheekbones, might be the tip or the bridge of the nose. Once you've applied one layer, you can step back and see if you need to glow even more and add a second layer in the areas you desire. The best part about this is you can also bronze your collarbone and your shoulders if you're in a sundress or a strapless tank top. Once you've achieved the amount of coverage that you'd like with the bronzer, then we can move on to the highlighter. For this look, we're using Sunset Glow. You'll want to be on air level 2 or 3, and we're gonna place this anywhere the light would bounce off of the face. The tops of the cheekbones, the tip of the nose, the tip of the chin, maybe above the brow bone. And then we can also use this as a little bit of a pop of color on the eyelids. And there you have it, the easiest possible application of the perfect, long-lasting summer makeup glow with the TEMPTU Air and the Perfect Canvas makeup.